Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around and join our family. I know it's been a while since I've been gone, but I'm back now. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful chocolate color Everywhere 3 wig. It's from Outre, and again it's in the color chocolate. I love this color, but I have to get used to it. This unit comes in a lot of beautiful colors. This chocolate color is really pretty. I really love this color. I just have to I think I went wrong with my eyebrows. I should have made them a little lighter. But as you can see, the construction of the wig comes with the 2 combs in the front, the 2 combs in the front, the 2 combs in the back, and the adjustable strap. That's pretty much what I'm showing you guys right now. I was going to tint this lace with this tinted lace spray from Even in the color light warm brown. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just spraying it, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Just spraying it so I could tint the color of the lace. I'm gonna pretty much cut that lace off. If you want, you could save the lace. That's what I do. Like if I rip my lace, I always have extra lace to repair my wigs with. So that's a good tip. Yeah, I wish I would have had my wig grip, but unfortunately I couldn't find it. But please make sure you're wearing your wig grip. Do everything you can to preserve your edges and your hair. You want to take care of your hair, even though the wigs is cute, but make sure you're preserving your hair and taking care of your hair as well. So now I'm just putting this on. I'm going to grab my hot comb in a minute to flatten it down. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. Right now I'm just taking some of my Fit Me powder, Maybelline 330, and just putting it into that parting space so it could blend better. That's pretty much what I'm doing. I don't know if I left the clip in, but I think I did. I'm going to pull my hot comb out and flatten that down a little bit so it won't be too lumpy, if that makes sense. I wanted to share some of the colors. Chocolate, Cinnamon Spice, Golden Amber, DRFF2/2730, DRFF425/97J, and Champagne. I'm gonna take some of my bronzer and bronze around the lace in the front so it could blend in, if that makes sense. Because our part is lighter, the scalp is lighter, but around the lace part I just want to make it a little, blend in a little better. So I'm just using a little bit of my bronzer to do that. Also, I want to share with you guys the edge control I use for my edges. I use Edge Booster, either the blue one or the yellow one. Inside of the yellow one, it's brown, and I like that one a little bit more. I used to like the blue one, but I'm starting to like that one a little bit more. It holds my hair better, my edges better. I'm just zooming you guys in so you guys can see how it look close up, that parting space. I should have made my eyebrows brown instead of black. That's probably what's throwing me off, but I do love this color. It's really pretty and it's different. As you guys know, I'm always getting my number 2, so I said why not try something different. I really like this chocolate color, but next time I wear it, I'll probably just make my eyebrows brown instead of my natural eye color. And this right here is the finished look. I hope you guys please like, comment, subscribe if you want to. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.